Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to batch import valid e-invoices to become purchase invoices in SQL accounting software. The batch import e-invoice feature simplifies the data entry process in SQL. When your supplier submits the e-invoice, you can use this feature to import it into SQL, and it will auto-post to purchase invoice. Let's begin. First, go to the Purchase Invoice Browse screen, select My Invoice, and click Batch Import e-invoice. Choose the desired date range and press the Apply button to filter the documents. You'll see two tables in the form. The upper table displays the list of e-invoices that your company has received. The lower table shows the item details for the selected document. You can select multiple e-invoices to import using the checkboxes provided. SQL Account will auto-map the supplier code if the sender TIN matches with the TIN in maintained supplier. You can choose your SQL item code for the purchase invoice if you have it. Otherwise, just leave it blank. A tax code is required for any item with a tax amount. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate, then click the Import button to proceed. Once posting is done, the system will prompt a reminder and show how many e-invoices were successfully posted. Finally, return to the Purchase Invoice Browse screen, click Refresh, and you'll see the imported e-invoices listed with the status shown as valid. And that's it. We've successfully batch import the valid e-invoices into SQL Account. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.